If you want to hide repost on TikTok or make reposted videos private, then here is what you can do. First of all, open TikTok app on your mobile device. Then simply tap on the repost icon, double arrow from your profile, and here you can see your reposts. So in order to hide this, all you have to do is tap on the three dashboard option available at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on settings and privacy. Then tap on the privacy option available there. Inside privacy, you will get to see private account option available. Make sure that you toggle on private account. A private account only allows approved followers to see your content, including the repost. Now, only approved followers can see your repost, but they will still be visible on their For You feed. But if you want to hide it from all your followers, then deleting is the best option. Find the reposted video and tap remove repost, and this will completely remove the repost from your profile. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.